If you've ever asked, can you restore deleted files from OneDrive? The good news is that in many cases, yes, you absolutely can. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to recover deleted files or folders from OneDrive, and I'll also explain the important limit you need to know if the file was permanently deleted. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can do that by going to OneDrive.com and signing in with the Microsoft account that you use for your files. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the Recycle Bin option. This is where OneDrive stores deleted items before they're permanently removed. Click on Recycle Bin to open it. Inside the Recycle Bin, browse through the list and look for the deleted file or folder you want to get back. If you have a lot of items, you can take your time and scroll until you find the correct one. You can also use the search if needed, depending on how your OneDrive view is set up. Once you find the file or folder, click to select it. If you want to restore more than one item, you may be able to select multiple files at once, which is helpful if several things were deleted together. After selecting the item, look at the top of the page and click Restore. OneDrive will move that file or folder back to its original location automatically. That means you do not need to manually recreate folders or re-download everything from scratch. It simply returns to where it was before deletion. After the restore finishes, go back to your OneDrive files and confirm that the item is there again. In most cases, the file will appear exactly where it was originally stored, so you can continue working as normal. Now, here's the important part. If you already permanently deleted the item from the recycle bin, or if you emptied the recycle bin, OneDrive usually cannot recover it again. That's why it's always a good idea to check the recycle bin first as soon as you notice something is missing. The faster you act, the better your chances of getting it back. If your file is still in the recycle bin, recovery is usually quick and simple. But if it's gone from there too, your options become much more limited. So the main takeaway is this. Deleted files from OneDrive can often be restored as long as they are still sitting in the recycle bin. Just sign in, open the recycle bin, select the item, and click Restore. It's a straightforward process, and it can save you a lot of stress if you accidentally remove something important. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful OneDrive and Microsoft tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.